It's official. We are living in the future. Slay your next cosplay with this sleek and sturdy Section 31 ComBadge. It comes with a strong magnetic backing that keeps it secure without putting holes in your clothes. Oh, and did I mention that it's also a Bluetooth speaker? Not only can it play your favorite tunes, but it can also send and receive calls and text messages, making it an actual communication badge. It comes with a handy USB-C charger, and the best part is the satisfying sound it makes when you press it.